precious Rose, welcome back to my channel. So today is a haul video and I'm so excited to be shooting this as this is my first ever haul and I wanted it to be cute. So I thought of doing a MINISO haul. I mean, it's cute and MINISO fits perfectly. So my opinion about the store is that the products are very cute and the products are which are used in everyday life. So it's not, you don't have to think what to buy, to just definitely find something which is in your use. And about the price, definitely they're very affordable, they're very cheap. So everybody can buy it, it's nothing too much. So the ones who haven't visited the store, you should surely do and get a lot of stuff. I have got a bag full of stuff and I'm so excited to be showing this to you. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I got are these cotton pads. Now these are the charcoal cotton cleansing pad. I really don't know why is it a charcoal. I don't know if it will make any difference, but I like the color. This grey black color is like amazing. The pack has 220 sheets. Oh my god, 220 is too much. I think this is gonna last very long. And it costed me around $150. The next thing I got is this. Now this is a massager and it looks so cute. This has this handy things here. I think this is gonna be a great experience to use and I'm so excited to use this. And I basically got it from my dad, like he likes this massaging thing. So the color, so cute, pink, I love it. I like most of my stuff is pink. It costed me for $150 and I think it is gonna be a nice product. Yeah. The next thing I got are these spray bottles. Not like both of them are not spray bottles. One is a spray bottle and the other is the press pump bottle. And this is perfect for traveling, guys. You can store anything and just go out. It's pink and I love it. So this also costed me for $150. Next thing I got are these makeup tools. Now what they call is the alligator hair clip. Now these clips are very these clips make hairstyling at home very easy. So I had to buy these and the colors are so cute, you guys. I'm in love with the product. So this also costed me for $150. Next thing is this. Yeah, I got this nap pillow. This is a very cute nap pillow and the color, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this pink and this was around $450 and how cute is this? Look at this, you guys. Now this is a nap pillow, what they call, and I think now I'm gonna take my naps more often because the cute pillow this is. And yeah, I just love it. So the next thing I got is this fan, you guys. Look at the color. It's so amazing. I am not a person who likes cooking too much, but I think after this pan I'm definitely gonna cook some real stuff. And this one is for $7.90. Yeah, I love it and I'm definitely gonna use this. The next thing I got is from a stationery section. I was like, no, I'm not going to this section. My school is over. But there was so cute stuff and it was so attracting. I had to buy something. So I got these sticky notes for lavender color. Oh my god, I haven't seen sticky notes in this color before. So I was wanting to buy this. It has 300 sheets of sticky notes and it is only $150. So I think it is a great deal and I had to buy this. The next thing I got is this eyelash curler. I haven't used any eyelash curler before because I didn't need it. So it's very nice. Now I thought of trying something very pretty green color. And this is only for $150. Okay, so the next and the last thing is this. This zipper, I love it because of the blingy thing it has on it. It has a soft pink as well and the color is also so. And you guys, here it has this effect of moving, like these sparkles move. So it's really cute and I had my eyes on this zipper for a long time. It's for today's video. I hope you guys like it and please do not forget to like the video and comment down below your views, share the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you until next time. Till then, take care and bye.